Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Chrome Extension. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots and then hover over extensions, and we need to visit the Chrome Web Store. Now this is where we need to do a search for the ChatGPT extension. So do a search for ChatGPT for Chrome and YouTube summary with AI. Now there's going to be a few ones we can pick from, but one I like to use here is a featured one. So click into here. It's got over 2 million downloads with a 3.8k rating of 4.3 stars. So basically you want to go ahead and add this to Chrome. We can add extension, and then that extension is going to be added in to Google Chrome. Now there's heaps of other different type of ChatGPT extensions. So from here we need to go ahead and sign in your Google or Apple account. So I'm signing in with my Google account. Now you can use it for free. It's going to ask you to sign up to their plans, but you can use this for free. So here we go now. This is now installed. So we can see AI models. So we've got ChatGPT 5.3, etc. So now basically what this extension does, so it can summarize YouTube videos, web articles, and PDFs at the same time, powered by ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral AI, and even Gemini. So YouTube Summary is a free Chrome extension that lets you quickly summarize YouTube videos, web articles, and PDFs you're consuming. So we can use this extension to save time and learn more quicker.